Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class, history class. Today, I have the plan to teach that Unit 6, Early Revolts Against British Rule in Tamil Nadu. So, this lesson in your book, you can check it, page number 63. Okay, page number 63. Fourth lesson and fifth lesson, I left. Later, I will teach. Okay, Early Revolts Against British Rule in Tamil Nadu. Okay, in this lesson, what are the things we are going to learn, the Palayakarar system. Okay, Palayakarar system and the revolts of Palayakars against the British, as well as that, polygars, Velunaichiyar, Pulitevar, Kattapomman and Marudhu brothers. Regarding those personalities also we are going to learn. Okay, finally, Vellore revolt is in the year 1806. It was occurred as a response to the British excitement of South India. Pacification in the sense excitement. Okay, so these are the things we are going to learn under this lesson. It will be very interesting, children. The first one, what is given in the sense in your book, you can check it, page number 63. That in the Carnatic Wars, okay, Carnatic Wars in the sense, wars like that it is given, is it Carnatic Wars? So, 3 Carnatic Wars were occurred in Europe, okay. So, which are the years that 3 Carnatic Wars occurred? I am telling first. 1744 to 48, first Carnatic War was occurred. Second Carnatic War, 1749 to 54, it was occurred in Europe. Okay, third Carnatic War, 1757 to 1763. So these are the years of the 3 Carnatic War. This is first Carnatic War. This is second Carnatic War. This is third Carnatic War. In these wars, who got a defeat in the sense France got a defeat from the hands of Britain. Okay. So for France, who are the supporters? Whoever supported in the sense Indians. Indians were supported France. Do you understand? Yes. Against the British. Okay. But in this war, unfortunately, France got a defeat. After the defeat of France, Britain, what it thought, it started to strengthen, consolidate in the sense, what is the meaning? Strengthen and extend its power and influence in India. Okay, Britain, like that I said. Otherwise, we can tell English East India Company started to consolidate, strengthen and extend its power and influence. Okay. Moreover, the local kings also agitated against the British people. Okay, local kings as well as the feudal chieftains. Feudal chieftains also resisted in the sense against. Okay, they were against this. Okay, then the first resistance to English East India Company was from Pulitevar. Okay, so who agitated first in the sense? Yes, Pulitevar of Nerkattum Seval. Okay, Nerkattum Seval in the sense it's a name of the place. It is located in Tirunelveli district. Okay, so this was followed by other chieftains, other feudal lords also, that Velunaichiyar. Okay, yes, Velunaichiyar, Veerapandiya Kattapomman, Marudhu brothers, Theeran Chinnamalai, those people also agitated against the British. Yes, this agitation, otherwise these wars are called as Palayakarar Wars. Okay, Wars of Palayakarar. Okay, so those people, those people in the sense, Marudhu brothers, Theeran Chinnamalai, yes, Veerapandiya Kattapomman, yes, so Pulitevar, yes, those people were called as Palayakaras. So the culmination, okay, so these wars, the culmination of which was, okay, so which was the result in the sense finally, yes, the Palayakarar wars, it leads to the Vellore revolt of 1806. Okay, so this early resistance to British rule in Tamil Nadu, so that only we are going to learn from this lesson. Okay, so who are the personalities I am going to show? Yes, children. Yes, who are the personalities? First we can see, after that we can check it remaining. This personality, you know everyone, Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Yes, Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Okay, so this personality. The next personality, he was one of the Palayakarar, Thiran Chinnamalai. Okay, so Thiran Chinnamalai, this person. Okay, he was the Palayakarar. He was against the British. Okay, so the both, twin brothers, Marudu brothers, Chinna Marudu and Periya Marudu. Marudu brothers. Okay, yes, the next personality, Velu Naichiyar ma'am. Okay, Velu Naichiyar. Okay, so this personality, this ma'am also was against whom? Was against the British people. Okay, British people. Yes. So here what is given in the sense, children, under that 6.1, you can check it. 6.1, page number 63. Resistance. Okay, they were against the regional powers, they are the regional powers. They were against the British. Okay, so A, what is given in the sense? Palayam. Yes, Palayam. Palayam, what is the meaning in the sense? Domain. Yes, Palayam, what is the meaning? Domain. Domain, what is the meaning in the sense? In your book it is given a military camp or little kingdom, like that it is given. Actually, domain in the sense an area of territory, an area of the particular territory. Yes, that is called as domain. Okay, the word Palayam means a domain. Domain in the sense, what is that? An area of territory. Okay, otherwise a military camp. Otherwise we can tell little kingdom. Little kingdom. Okay, then what is given in your book? Palayakaras. How the British were called them, Palayakarar referred them as Polygar. Polygar, like that, who were called? British people. Okay, the British people, how they were called them? Yes, Polygar, like that they were called. Okay, yes. So in, under this system, okay, under this system, Palayam was given for a valuable military service. So each Palayakaras have many Palayams. How did they get that Palayam? Yes, because of their valuable, military services. Military services only they got a, that Palayam. Okay, this type of Palayakara system was in practice during the rule of, so when did he start? Okay, when did the system was started? Okay, so who started the system in the sense? Prataparudra Deva. Yes, Prataparudra Deva of Warangal. This person only in Kagatya kingdom. Okay, which kingdom? Kagatya kingdom. He started the Palayakara system. Okay, but in Tamil Nadu, who started the system in the sense? Vishwanatha Nayaka. Yes, Vishwanatha Nayaka, he was the first Nayak ruler of Madurai. Yes, he ruled over Madurai in the year 1529. Yes, with the support of his minister Ariyanatha. Okay, with the support of his minister Ariyanatha. Okay, Vishwanatha Nayaka, what he did? He established Palayakarar system in Tamil Nadu. So traditionally, how many Palayakaras were there in the sense? Totally 72. One word answer, 72 Palayakaras were there in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this much only it is given under the 6.1 first para. Okay, so who started the Palayakara system in the sense? In the Kagatya kingdom, Prataparudra Deva was started the Palayakara system. Okay, at the same time in Tamil Nadu, who established the Palayakara system in the sense? Okay, who started? Vishwanatha Nayaka. Yes, with his minister, with the help of the, otherwise with the support of the minister Ariyanatha. Okay, so totally how many Palayams are there in the sense? Palayam in the sense, just before I told, an territory or a territory, otherwise an area of territory, otherwise we can tell military camp, otherwise also we can tell a little kingdom. Yes, what for they got a Palayam, each and every Palayakara? Because of their military service. Okay, so that's a thing. The next, what is the given in your book in the sense? Page number 63, children. Sorry, page number 63, you can take it. The Palayakarar, the duties of the Palayakarar, it is given. Okay, so they can collect the taxes. Okay, so they were free to collect the revenue it is given. Revenue, what is the meaning? Revenue in the sense taxes they can collect, they can rule over the territory, administer the territory in the sense what? They can rule over the territory, they can settle the disputes, they can settle the disputes in the sense they can settle the problems, fights, conflicts, okay, and maintain law and order, and maintain law and order. Okay, so these their their police duties were known as padikaval, otherwise அரசு காவல். படிக்காவல், otherwise அரசு காவல். Whose duty? பாளையக்காரர்'s duty. So பாளையக்காரர் duties, what are they? They can collect the taxes, they can rule over the territory, they can settle the disputes, and they should maintain the law and order. Their police duties, these are the police duty, no? Their police duties were known as padikaval or அரசு காவல். Okay, so these are the things. Then on the occasions, on many occasions, the Palayakaras helped the Nayak rulers. Yes, many occasions, many times, they were, Palayakaras were helped the Nayak rulers. Okay, to restore. Restore, what is the meaning? Restore, yes, regain, return back. Okay, regain, that's the correct meaning. Okay, restore, meetkiradhuk. Okay, so restore the kingdom to them. Okay, the personal relationship and understanding between the king and the Palayakaras made this term. So what is the meaning? In the sense, nearly 200 years. Okay, nearly 200 years, the Palayakarar had a friendship with the Nayak rulers in Madurai. Yes, nearly 200 years they had a close relationship. Who had a close relationship? Yes, kings, the Nayak rulers as well as the Palayakaras. Okay, so until the takeover of these territories by the British, until British captured these areas. Okay, so this much only, children. This is the 2-mark answer from this onwards. Okay, duties of the, yes, till arasu kaval, duties of the Palayakarar, 5-1 answer. Okay, from this to this one. Okay, the next one, what is given? Yes, next 72 palayams, like that I said, is it? So eastern and western palayams, what are they? Among the 72 Palayakaras created by the Nayak rulers. So who was responsible for the creation, otherwise establishment of the Palayakarar system in Tamil Nadu? In the sense, Nayak rulers only responsible. Nayak rulers were responsible, especially Viswanatha Nayak. Okay, so there were 2 blocks are there, namely Eastern Palayam and Western Palayam. So what are the, it's a very important palayams only it is given here, children. Okay, 2-mark answer. 2-mark answer. What are the Eastern Palayams are there? What are the Western Palayams are there? Okay, this is the 2-mark answer. 5 to answer, children. From this to this one, 5 to answer. Listen carefully. The Eastern Palayams, what are they in the sense? Satur, Nagalapuram, Ettayapuram and Panjalam Kurichi. Yes, so very, very important palayams only given. Eastern palayams were among 72 Palayakaras. Okay, yes, they were divided into 2 groups, Eastern Palayam and Western Palayam. Eastern palayams, what are they in the sense? Satur, Nagalapuram, Ettayapuram and Panjalam Kurichi. And the Western palayams, yes, Western palayams, what are they? Udumalai, Thalavan Kotai, Naduvakurichi, Singampatti and Seidur. Yes, so these are the Western palayams. Okay, Western palayams, what are they? Udumalai, Thalavan Kotai, Naduvakurichi, Singampatti, Seidur. So this is the 2-mark answer. You have to mug up these places, children. Okay, Eastern Palayam and Western Palayam. Yes, the next what is given in the sense under that 6.2. Yes, under that 6.2, what is given in the sense? This personality, Pulithevar. Okay, just before when I gave the introduction, I told Pulithevar from Nerkattum Seval is in the Tirunelveli district. So this man only was the hero. Okay, so 1755 to 1767, what happened? Okay, revolt of Pulithevar against British. Okay, yes. So in March month 1755, yes, so Nawab of Arcad brother. Yes, Nawab of Arcad who in the sense Muhammad Ali. Nawab of Arcad who? Muhammad Ali. So the Muhammad Ali sent his brother. Yes, sent his brother Makafuz Khan. How to pronounce in the sense? Makafuz Khan. This Makafuz Khan, he came Okay, he came here, yes, with a lot of army, contingent in the sense a group of company army under the colonel Heron to Tirunelveli. Yes, they came to Tirunelveli. Yes, with a lot of army, yes, with a large amount of army, yes, under the leadership of Heron. Okay, so Madurai, first itself easily fell into their hands. Okay, thereafter, Colonel Heron was urged in the sense, what is the meaning, children? He tried. Urged, what is the meaning? He tried. Yes, he tried. This man only, Pulithevan. Okay, Pulithevar, like that I said. No, in your book also it is given. You can check it, the picture. Okay, so, Colonel Heron was urged, like that I said, no, tried to deal. Okay, he talked with the Pulithevar as he continued to defy in the sense the Pulithevar, he disobey. Okay, he refused to obey. That is the meaning. Disobey, otherwise refused to obey the authority of the company. But he tried. Who tried? Colonel Heron tried to talk with the Pulithevar, but he refused to obey the order. Who refused? Pulithevar refused to obey the order of the company. So Pulithevar wielded much influence. Moreover, Pulithevar, he had a relationship with the many Palayakaras, especially Western Palayakaras. So for want of cannon and of supplies and pay to the soldiers, Colonel Heron abandoned in the sense left. He withdrew. Yes, that's the meaning. He left the plan and retired to Madurai. First, he had a contact the peace talk with the Pulithevar, but Pulithevar was not ready to submit, was not ready to obey the orders of company. So that's what, what happened. Heron was waited. Yes, for a long time he was waited for the cannon, supplies, as well as the pay to soldiers. Yes, because of these reasons, Colonel Heron, he left the plan. He abandoned the plan and he retired like that given. Retired in the sense returned. Okay, he went back to Madurai. So Heron was recalled, திரும்ப அழைக்கப்பட்டார் by the British company, English East India Company, and dismissed from the service because he couldn't, defeat Pulithevar. No, that's what the British government, otherwise English East India Company, they recalled Heron and dismissed from his service. So these are the things are given. The first para, what it is given in the sense, children. In the year 1755, Mahfuz Khan, in the sense that is that man, he was the brother of Nawab of Arcot. Yes, he came with a large army, with a group of army soldiers. Yes, under the leadership of Heron. Okay, first, when they are coming itself, Madurai fell into their hands. But, when they reached Tirunelveli, here one powerful ruler is there, powerful Palayakara is there, namely Pulithevar. He had a relationship, close relationship with the Western Palayakaras. Okay, so he was very strong. Yes, so that, this person, Colonel Heron, he was tried to deal with the Pulithevar, but he disobeyed the rule of that company. Yes, English East India Company. Yes, so what happened actually? Yes, then, Heron, left the plan because he has to wait for the cannon as well as the, supplies. Yes, he has to wait for the boating facilities as well as, that food facilities. Yes, for everything he has to wait. That's what, he left the plan. Who left the plan? Heron left the plan and he returned to Madurai. Yes, so Heron was recalled by the English East India Company and dismissed from the service. Okay, so this much only it is given, children. The next, what is given in the sense, confederacy. Confederacy, what is the meaning? Yes, confederacy in the sense league. What is the meaning? League, otherwise alliance. Yes, confederacy in the sense league and alliance with the enemies of the British. Yes, so it's very, very interesting, children. 3 Pathan officers, yes, namely, yes, moreover, Chanda Sahibs, Nawab Chanda Sahibs agents. Okay, whoever in the sense, yes, Mainak, Mudimiyak, Nabihan Katak, Mainak, Mudimiyak, and Nabihan Katak. So these 3 able officers, Pathans, they were commanded in the sense they were the in charge. They were the in charge of Madurai and Tirunelveli regions. Okay, so they were the agents, Nawab's agents. Okay, so they were the in charge of Madurai and Tirunelveli region. So they supported the Tamil Palayakaras. Okay, so they were the supporters of the Palayakaras against the Muhammad Ali. Yes, Nawab Muhammad Ali. Yes, so Pulithevar had established the close relationship with those people in the sense these three officers. Okay, so Pulithevar, he had a close relationship with these people. Okay, so Pulithevar, what he did in the sense, that Pulithevar also formed a confederacy of the Palayakaras. Confederacy in the sense, just before I told, a league. Okay, he also formed a league of the Palayakaras to fight the British. So except, okay, so Pulithevar, he didn't get the support from the Palayakarar of Sivagiri and Palayakarar of Ettayapuram and Palayakarar of Panjalam Kurichi. Yes, so these people alone, they did not give the support to Pulithevar. Remaining every Palayakaras, they gave the support to the Pulithevar. Okay, further English people, succeeded. Okay, they got a support from someone. Okay, so English people, they got a support from the Raja of Ramanathapuram as well as Pudukkottai. Okay, so they got a support against the Pulithevar. They also have to come for fight. So they got a support of Raja of Ramanathapuram as well as Pudukkottai. So Pulithevar tried to get the support of Hyder Ali. Okay, Hyder Ali, who in the sense that time he was the Nawab of Mysore. Yes, he was a Nawab of Mysore. So this Hyder Ali, that time he couldn't help Pulithevar because he was involved in the war. Yes, with the Marathas. Here already locked like that, and it is given. Yes, I am telling. Yes, he involved. Yes, he involved in a serious conflict with the Marathas. So that's what Pulithevar, Hyder Ali also, couldn't help Pulithevar. Okay, these are the things are there, children. Yes, then battle, Kalakkad battle. Yes, a battle at Kalakkad. So that's what they are telling, Kalakkad battle. So the Nawab, yes, the Nawab in the sense, just before only I said, children. Okay, the Nawab sent an additional army, contingent in the sense a group of army. Okay, group of army. Okay, contingent of Sipais, group of Sipais to Maghavuz Khan. Just before only I told Maghavuz Khan, he was the brother of Muhammad Ali, like that I said, is it? So the Nawab in the sense here who? Muhammad Ali sent an additional contingent of Sipais to Maghavuz Khan and reinforced. What is the meaning of reinforced in the sense? Strengthen the group. In order to strengthen the army, they were, the Nawab sent much Sipais to Tirunelveli. Yes, besides the 1,000 Sipais of the company also they are getting. Okay, so 1,000 Sipais of the company against Pulithevar. Okay, so Maghavuz Khan received 600 more soldiers sent by the Nawab. Again, Nawab, yes, Muhammad Ali, sending, send how much? 600 more armies, soldiers. Okay, so he also had the support of cavalry, foot soldiers, yes, from the Carnatic. Okay, before Maghavuz Khan could station his troops near Kalakkad. Yes, before station the troops in Kalakkad, 2,000 soldiers from Travancore joined with the forces of Pulithevar. Okay, how much? 2,000 soldiers, from Travancore. So Travancore Raja supported Pulithevar. Yes, in the battle of Kalakkad. In the battle of Kalakkad, who supported Pulithevar? Yes, Travancore Raja, supported. Okay, so in the battle of Kalakkad, Maghavuz Khan troops were routed. What does mean by routed in the sense? Defeated. Okay, defeated, that's a meaning. Maghavuz Khan, he got the support from the Nawab. Is it? More than 600 soldiers were there, cavalry were there, foot soldiers were there, 1,000 Sipais of the company were there, even though he couldn't get the success. Is it? But who supported here for Pulithevar? Yes, Raja of Travancore. Yes, he joined the forces of Pulithevar. Nearly 2,000 soldiers, joined the forces of Pulithevar. So that's what, in Kalakkad battle, who got a victory? Yes, Pulithevar got a victory. Okay, the next para, what it is given in the sense, Yusuf Khan. Yes, who is Yusuf Khan in the sense? Yusuf Khan in the sense, Khan Sahib, otherwise called as Khan Sahib. So this person only later, that before converting into Islam, his name was Marudanayagam. Yes, Marudanayagam. Okay, Yusuf Khan's name. See, check it, children. This page, page number 64, you can check it. Yusuf Khan and Pulithevar para. Okay, here it is very interesting. The organized resistance of the Palekaras under Pulithevar, it gave an opportunity to the English to interfere directly in the affairs of Tirunelveli. What is the meaning in the sense? The Pulithevar, he got a support from Raja of Trivangur. Moreover, he got a victory in the Kalakadu battle also. So that's what, British people, they were, turned their direction towards Tirunelveli area. So aided in the sense helped by the Raja of Trivangur from 1756 to 63, the Palayakaras of Tirunelveli, led by Pulithevar, were in a constant state of rebellion against the Nawab's authority. What is the meaning? Raja of Trivangur, nearly more than 6 or 7 years, he gave a support to Pulithevar. That's what, constantly they were rebelled against the Nawab's authority. So Yusuf Khan, yes, now only it is given, children. So Yusuf Khan, what is the other name of the Yusuf Khan? In the sense, Khan Sahib. Khan Sahib, otherwise called, before his conversion in the sense, changed to other religion, changed to Islam religion. Yes, his name was Marudanayagam. So this person, sent by company. Yes, company sending this person against the Pulithevar. But this person was not prepared to attack Pulithevar. Yes, because he couldn't get the big guns as well as ammunition in the sense bombs. He couldn't get because English people, were at the war with they were involved the wars with France, okay, as well as with Hyder Ali and the Marathas. So artillery in the sense Birangi Padai. Okay, so artillery arrived only, yes, which year? 1760 only it came to Trichy area. Okay, so that's what happened. That artillery only, it came after September 1760. That's what Yusuf Khan, otherwise Khan Sahib, began to barter. What is mean by barter? Barter, what is the meaning in the sense, children? That strike repeatedly with hard blows. Okay, he was striking repeatedly with hard blows the Nerkattum Seval fort, and this attack continued nearly 2 months, it was continued. So, what are the forts? Pulithevar's 3 major forts. Yes, totally it came under the control of Yusuf Khan. Nerkattum Seval, Vasudevanallur and Panayur. So these 3 major forts of Pulithevar came under the control of Yusuf Khan, because nearly 2 months continuously he fought against the Pulithevar. Okay, so that's a result. Then in the meantime, that after taking Pondicherry like that, it is given now. So what is the meaning of this in the sense? The English people, that in the Carnatic wars, yes, who got a failed? French people got a defeat, is it? So that's what, that Pondicherry was captured by the English. So, French people totally they were lost its power. So that's what happened. That Travangur, Seidur, Udumalai, Surandai, they were, locked. Otherwise, they were showed their loyalty towards the opposite group, like that it is given. Opposite group in the sense to the British. These Palekaras already, they were the supporters of Pulithevar. But, now, France got a defeat from the hands of the Britain. Moreover, Pondicherry, otherwise Puducherry also, it was captured by the Britain. Is it? It was captured by Britain. So that's what, from France, they cannot get the help. That's what. Okay, so these Palayakaras, Seidur, Udumalai, Surandai, yes, those Palayakaras, they were showed their loyalty to the British camp. Opposite camp in the sense, who here? British camp. Okay, British camp. Then Yusuf Khan. So this person, condition C, this person, the otherwise called as, what I said? Yes, that Yusuf Khan, otherwise called as Marudanayagam, like that I said, because before the conversion of the Islam religion. Otherwise, he was called as Khan Sahib. Is it Khan Sahib? This person negotiated with the Palayakarar. Okay, so this person also, he had a close relationship with the Palekar, but he did not inform anything to the Britain. Otherwise, he did not inform anything to the company administration. So that one, they found out. So the company, what they charged in the sense, charged with the treachery. Yes, charged with the treachery. Treachery, what is the meaning? In the sense, betrayal. Betrayal of trust. Nambikai Drogam. Okay, so he was charged, Sumattapattar, Nambikai Drogi, என்று. Okay, and hanged in the year 1764. Yes, so Khan Sahib, otherwise called as Yusuf Khan, before converting the religion into Islam, his name was Marudanayagam. Okay, this person, he had a relationship with the Palekarar. Moreover, without, he did not inform anything with the company administration. That's what, the company, they found out they were charged with the treachery. Treachery in the sense, what is the meaning? Betrayal of trust. Nambikai Drohi, and hanged in the year 1764. Yes, the next, what is given? Fall of Pulithevar. Yes, fall of Pulithevar. After the death of Khan Sahib, yes, after the death of Khan Sahib, otherwise Yusuf Khan, Pulithevar returned from exile and recaptured Nerkattum Seval. Okay, in Tirunelveli region, he recaptured, okay, in the year 1764. However, he was defeated by Captain Campbell. One word answer. Captain Campbell in the year 1767, he defeated the Pulithevar. So Pulithevar escaped and died in exile. Yes, he escaped, but he died. Okay, so that's a thing, children. The next para, what is given in the sense, one blue color box is there. It's very, very interesting, children. Ondi Veeran. Okay, Ondi Veeran, he was the, he was the friend of whom? Yes, Pulithevar. So Ondi Veeran story, one box only it is given. Yes, the Ondi Veeran, led one of the army. He led one of the army unit of Pulithevar. Fighting by the side of the Pulithevar, he caused much damages to the company's army. Okay, so because of this person, company's army lost many things. So according to the oral tradition, what is the meaning? Sevi Vali Seidi. Okay, according to the oral tradition, in one battle, Ondi Veeran's hand was cut off, chopped off, like that is given now. Yes, cut off. And Pulithevar was sad. Yes, he was worried a lot. So Ondi Veeran, what he said in the sense, it was a reward for his penetration. Penetration in the sense, he entered into the enemy's fort now. It's causing many heads to roll. Yes, many heads to roll. Yes, so you can understand easily, I think. Yes, what he said. Ondi Veeran said it was a reward. Pulithevar, you don't get worry. It was a reward for my penetration for my entry into the enemy's fort, causing many heads to roll. Okay, so that much it is given. It's very, very interesting, children. If you need more information, you can check it through the YouTube. Okay. The next, what is given in the sense, Velu Naichiyar. Yes, Velu Naichiyar. In the page number 65, it is given, children. You can check it. The period of Velu Naichiyar, 1732, 1796. 1732, 1796. This also very, very interesting. This ma'am, she was born in 1730. Has a father named Raja Chellamuthu Chedubadi. Okay, Raja Chellamuthu Chedubadi of Ramanathapuram. Okay, so Velu Naichiyar, she was the only one daughter of this royal family. Yes, the king had no male heir. No male heir in the sense, what is the meaning? No male successor. No male successor. Aan varisu illai. Okay, that's a thing. Okay, that's a meaning. The royal family brought up the princess. Okay, brought up the princess. How they were brought up the princess in the sense, Velu Naichiyar, training her in martial arts. She knows very well about the martial arts like Valari, stick fighting, and to wield weapons, how to handle the weapons, everything she knows. Okay, she was able to, she was also adept in the sense, what is the meaning? Skilled. Okay, skilled. She was also skilled in horse riding and archery, vilvittai. Okay, archery. Apart from her proficiency in English language, she knows to speak. French she knows, as well as Urdu language also she knows to speak as well as write. Okay, so at the age of 16, okay, this ma'am only, Velu Nachiyar. Okay, Velu Nachiyar, you can check it, children. Velu Nachiyar ma'am. Okay, the next one, at the age of 16, in your book it is given the picture. It's not clear, that's what I downloaded from the net. Okay, so at the age of 16, Velu Nachiyar was married. Okay, so that time Indal child marriages was very popular, no? That's what, the age of 16, it's a Velu Nachiyar ma'am, was married to Muthu Vadugar. Yes, Muthu Vadugar, who in the sense Raja of Sivagangai. Okay, he was the Raja of Sivagangai, and they had a daughter. Yes, okay, Vellachi Nachiyar. Yes, a daughter name what? Vellachi Nachiyar. One word answers, children. Vellachi Nachiyar. In the year 1772, the Nawab of Arcot and the company troops under the command of Bonjour, Lieutenant Colonel. Yes, Lieutenant Colonel Bonjour stormed, தகர்த்தெறியப்பட்டது. Okay, that's the meaning. The stormed the Kalayar Kovil Palace. In the ensuing battle, Muthu Vadugar was killed. Yes, that person, that Velu Nachiyar's husband was killed in that Kalayar Kovil battle. Okay, as well as Velu Nachiyar escaped. Okay, she was escaped with her daughter. Okay, she escaped with her daughter and lived under the protection of Gopala Nayak. This is a one word answer. Under the protection of Gopala Nayak, she stayed nearly 8 years. Gopala Nayak, who in the sense he was one of the Palayakarar of Virupachi near Dindukal. Okay, near Dindukal. Yes, one of the Palayakarar, Gopala Nayak. Okay, under the protection of Gopala Nayak, she stayed, Velu Nachiyar ma'am stayed, nearly, 8 years. Okay, so that's the thing. The next one, during her period in hiding. Okay, so she was hided, no? Yes, she was hided because, British people, killed her, husband. That's what, she was hided. So Velu Nachiyar organized an army and succeeded in securing the alliance with not only Gopala Nayakar but Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali, he was the Hyder Ali, who was he? Yes, he was belongs to Mysore. Yes, Mysore. So this person, this lady, she got a support from Hyder Ali also. So Dalawai in the sense that is a military chief. Who was the Dalawai that time in the sense? Tandava Rayanar. Yes, this person, he wrote a letter to Sultan Hyder Ali on behalf of Velu Nachiyar in Sarbaga. Okay, so asking for 5,000 infantry and 5,000 cavalry to defeat the English. So Velu Nachiyar explained, okay, she explained in detail in Urdu all the problems. Moreover, what are the problems she met with the English East India Company, everything, she had written, she wrote in the Urdu language. Moreover, she conveyed her strong determination to fight the English. So it was impressed. Who was impressed now? Hyder Ali was impressed. He ordered his commandant Syed in Tindukal fort to provide the required military help, assistance in the sense help. Okay, so Velu Nachiyar employed agents for gathering intelligence to find the, she employed in the sense she appointed. Okay, she Velu Nachiyar ma'am, appointed some agents for gathering in the sense in order to find out the British, where they were stored that ammunition, bombs, everything they have to collect, that's what. So with the military assistance, military help, with the military assistance from Gopala Nayak and Hyder Ali, she recaptured Sivagangai. Who recaptured? This ma'am, yes, Velu Nachiyar ma'am, with the help of Hyder Ali as well as Gopala Nayak, he recaptured Sivagangai. She was crowned as queen with the help of Marudu brothers. Marudu brothers in the sense Chinna Marudu and Periya Marudu. She was the first female ruler. One word answer. She was the first female ruler or queen to resist in the sense against the British colonial power in India. Yes, so before that, two blue color box I left, children. That one I am going to explain now. Okay, sorry. Two blue color box it is given. Yes, Gopala Nayak, page number 65. Yes, Gopala Nayak in the, he, very well, is it? So the Palayakar of Virupachi at Dindukal, like that I said, at Virupachi in Dindukal. So Gopala Nayak spearheaded. What is the meaning of spearhead in the sense? A lead. Okay, under his control. Yes, it was lead at Dindukal League. Okay, which one? Lead the, this one, what is the meaning? Spearheaded in the sense, lead, L-E-A-D. L-E-A-D. So spearheaded the famous Dindigul League, which was formed with whomever? Lakshmi Nayak of Manaparai and Bujai Nayak of Devadana Patti. Okay, so he got inspiration from Tipu Sultan, who sent a deputation. Yes, deputation in the sense like his group of people. Yes, who sent a deputation? Tipu Sultan. He sent a deputation to show his camaraderie. Camaraderie in the sense, what is the meaning in the sense? Mutual trust. Mutual trust and friendship. Okay, that's the meaning. He led the resistance against the British from Coimbatore, and later he joined with Umaiturai. Umaiturai, who? Katamaman's brother. Okay, so later we can learn about them. Okay, he put up a fierce fight. Fierce in the sense ferocious, verithanamana. That's the meaning. Okay, so he put a fierce fight at Anamalai Hills. Anamalai Hills, where the local peasants, they were supported Gobala Nayak against the British, but Gobala Nayak was overpowered by the British forces in the year 1801. Yes, but Gobala Nayak was overpowered by the British forces in the year 1801. Then one more blue color box I have to teach children. Queely. Yes, Queely, she was a faithful friend of Velu Naichiar. Yes, Velu Naichiar is a friend. Queely. Yes, this ma'am's a picture. You can check it. This ma'am only, Queely. Okay, so she was a very brave lady. Moreover, that she in the sense, Queely led the unit of women soldiers named after Udayal. Udayal in the sense, that's a name of the soldiers unit. Name of the soldiers unit. That Udayal name, how it came in the sense, Udayal was a shepherd girl. Okay, shepherd girl. Okay, who was killed for not divulging in the sense revealing information on Queely. Okay, so Queely is said to have walked into the British arsenal. What is that in the sense? Just before, when I was teaching that Velu Naichiar ma'am, I told she appointed some people to find out that arms, weapons, bombs of Britain. Yes, some agents she appointed, like that I said one word. Okay, so among that, Queely was one of the agent. Okay, she need to find out the arms, weapons of British. Okay, so this person, Queely, what she did, Queely walked like that it is given. She entered into the British arsenal. Yes, arsenal in the sense, arsenal, a collection of weapons, military equipments, everything they used to keep it in the place. That is the arsenal. Okay, after entering, this ma'am, what she did, Queely ma'am, what she did in the sense, she's setting herself on fire. தனக்கு தானே என்ன செஞ்சிட்டா, தீ வச்சிட்டா. Okay, after entering into arsenal, she's setting herself on fire, thus destroying. So through that way, she helped Velu Naichiar ma'am. So thus destroying all the bombs, all the weapons, the British things, everything, totally it was destroyed. That was the activity of, that was the activity of Queely. Okay, it's a faithful friend, like that it is given. See, faithful friend of Velu Naichiar. Yes, so this much only children, today's class. Okay, so we can mark that this person very well, I think. So Hyder Ali, yes, Hyder Ali, I told her, who got a support, Velu Naichiar ma'am, got a support from Hyder Ali as well as Gopala Nayak, like that I said, no? So that one. So next we can mark the question answers, children. You can take your book, page number you can take it. Page number is 72. Page number 72. Take it, everyone. There's very few questions only we are going to mark today. First answer, Pulithevar is the answer. Pulithevar. Second one also Pulithevar. Second one also Pulithevar. Two answers only I had completed today. That's what two only we are marking. Okay, the next one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, Vishwanatha Nayaka. Vishwanatha Nayaka. I am going to tell the spelling. V-I-S-W-A-N-A-T-H-A. Vishwanatha. Vishwanatha. Nayaka spelling capital N A Y A K A. Nayaka spelling N A N A Y A K A. Vishwanatha Nayaka. Next one everybody knows very well. Gopala Nayakar. Gopala. Gopala. Then Nayakar spelling Nayakar. Gopala Nayakar. This much only, children. The next one, assertion answer. Assertion answer. Assertion answer. Answer. The first one alone. B. B is the answer. B is the answer. Yes? Okay, children. The next one, second one. Second one again, B is the answer. Again, B is the answer. Second one answer, B is the answer. B is the answer. Then third one, A is the answer. Then match the following. Match the following. Only one only I completed. That is Gopala Nayak belongs to Dindukal. Yes. The next one. Next one. Duties of the Palayakarars. When I am teaching itself, I told, I think so. Page number 63. Page number 63, first question. Page number 64, second question. Easy questions only, children. Under the 6.1, under the Palayams and Palayakarars para, second para, page number 63, second para, Palayams and Palayakarar para, second para. The Palayakars were free to collect revenue, administer the territory, like that it is given, no? From that onwards, 5.1 till Arasu Kaval. First 4 lines alone. Second one, page number 64, Palayams para, Eastern Palayam, Western Palayam, it is given, no? First 3 lines, you can leave it. Remaining lines, everything mark it for 5-2. Yes? Okay, children. Learn that previous lesson in the sense history part lesson, World War lesson I started. Last time, I gave the homework essay, you got to learn like that, I said, I think so. Those who did not complete that same essays, you can learn. Otherwise, completed in the sense 2 marks you can start learning. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you. Next class we can meet.